So I guess as your business grows, is the two sides of that kind of the SaaS, the SaaS that kind of gets a lot of people in, and then the more self-hosted, on-prem, these kinds of things. How are at this stage in the company, how are you kind of splitting resources towards those two things? How do you decide what gets more attention and where one feature goes? These kinds of things. That's a very broad question, but
Yeah, I
I'm curious
think
to
at the
think about
beginning
it.
when we're getting down in this route, we know I think we are early as an early startup company that you need to really focus, and obviously you cannot do two sets of things, but we quickly realized that the open core model you still have need to get rid of certain things. Meaning you for right now is we try to making sure even we build a SaaS, but also for the open core model is still using the same platform. That same platform is actually Kubernetes. So Kubernetes give us the power to build one software that is able to run on public cloud and as well as be able to ship as a distribution to our customers, self-manage them. The only we have to say no to certain things is the we have to say no if you don't have Kubernetes. So we need to cut the entire portion of customers that potential coming to us. So say I want this, I want enterprise distribution, but I'm on virtual machine, physical machine. I don't have Kubernetes. We have to say no to the customer, and that is able to make sure we really focus on one technical stack, potentially two different, I would say, slightly different kind of a distribution, one for cloud, one for internal, but we keep as close as possible and really looking into like how um, how is able how to have same a similar messaging that we want to deliver to our customers so that we can ensure okay we leverage the most common things across different model. And one thing I want to point out is interesting is the as a streaming data system, it's quite different from databases because streaming data system is about streaming data across different environments. So a lot of this because of the nature is a lot of business of this is they're not just running on public cloud or their private cloud environment. They actually have hybrid. So some of them might be using AWS, but they have tons of the application running on hybrid sides. So having these two models is actually providing a flexibility for our business is that we are able to support enterprises that are looking into these multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environment, and that work out very well with these two different deployment options there.